Good morning student. Now we are going to learn about the limitation of macroeconomics. The macroeconomics it provide more and more policies, formulation, but it has some limitation. The following are the limitation of the macroeconomics. First one, so there is danger of excessive generalization. So there are many more economists. They advocate the theory in their own view. For example, the Adam Smith, he explained his theory, but his theory is criticized by many more economists. So the excessive generalization, the generalization which means the inference, the assumption, the excessive assumption, it leads to make the error of the theory. At present, we give the advice to the youngster. The over advice not applicable to present life, especially youngster. If you give any advice to anyone, they are not ready to ask. So it happen in real life. Second one, the macroeconomic theory, it assumes the homogeneity with the individual unit. So there are two products, heterogeneous product and homogeneous product. The macroeconomics, it assumes only the homogeneity with the individual unit, but it neglects the heterogeneous product. So this is the second limitation to the macroeconomics. Third one, so there is the fallacy of composition. So if you do any work, you may get the satisfaction. So this is not good to the another one. So whatever you do, you get the satisfaction. Then this work is not good to second person and third person. So this also we have to compose it between two person. Then what is good to a developing country, it is not good for developing country. Our country, it occupies agriculture, so this is good. So these are suitable to India. This is not good to America. The America, one of the developed nation. So the macroeconomic theory, it comes in the limitation. The last one, there are two factors. If you want to determine the economic development, we need two factors. First one is economic factors, second one is non-economic factors. Both the factors are very important to decide the economic growth and the economic development. What are the economic factors? The natural resources, the capital formation, size of the market, the structural changes, the financial system, the marketable surplus, the foreign trade and the economic system. So these are all economic factors. So the economic factors, it plays very important role in the determination of the economic development, and also non-economic factors. The non-economic factors, this only the macroeconomic theory, it give great emphasis. What are the non-economic factors? The human resources, the technical know-how, political freedom, social organization, corruption-free administration, desire for development, moral, ethical and social values, casino and patrimonial capitalism. So, these are all non-economic factors. But the macroeconomics, it determine among the non-economic factors. So, this is a wrong view. The economic factors also plays in the determination of the development. So, let us consider the economics, the macroeconomics. It may provide the aggregate policies, aggregate formulation, but it has in the certain limitation. Thank you, student.